Students' Union threatens indefinite shutdown of Oriental College. No question of tampering scrap pension scheme, clarified Minister Vishwajit. And BJP Mandal demands unconditional release of Moirang MLA's personal secretary. Hello and good evening. Welcome to Times of Manipur. This is HARIPRIYA giving you the news in details. Students of Oriental College, Imphal today protested against transfer of 4 teachers of the college. As per reports, a large number of student protesters burned down several desks and benches belonging to the college right in front of the college gate and even blocked the Imphal-Jiribam National Highway for hours. They demanded that the transfer order be revoked. Police rushed to the site to defuse the situation, but the students confronted them. Later, the situation was brought under control after the police arranged a meeting between the Commissioner of Education Department and a 10-member delegation of the College Student Union. The union warned of an indefinite shutdown of the college if the concerned authority fails to cancel the teachers' transfer order by tomorrow.
Hello department mathangi thadagi di retired tawgane ocha hum jina ba tawkramna chawgraba department satra chahum me lebi department karam na pugudri sini aduna hujik madugi juma thakta hujik semester exam matamni Oriental college ti atopa college ka manada ba system akhak leibani college ka da baju yade akoi gi CIA tawibini tha khudingi test tawdana tawwe aba khudimak tawribani si maraksi da ocha transfer taw haijibo karam mong da yadino aduna hayingi manungda transfer order ji kaktragadi date 20 Oriental college student na Oriental college matam kaktana thingjalagani hana press kin jamda phongchari.
Information and Public Relations Minister T.H. Vishwajit stated that there is no question of tampering the pension scheme of working journalists, clarifying that there is the difference between corpus fund and mixed deposit. He welcomed anyone who wishes to inquire about it. Addressing media at his Secretariat Office chamber, T.H. Vishwajit expressed unhappiness of allegations that the corpus fund has been tampered. He said he was quite disappointed with the allegations. Vishwajit said that the pension scheme for armed Jews implemented since 1996 and the money collected by former members of the union was deposited as a fixed deposit at Kisan Vikas Patra and not as corpus fund. The IPR minister said that the matter should have been discussed before placing it in the public domain. He informed that so far the pension scheme has benefited 20 persons.
adana koi ngai na hanjan jan ai haijari je mayam phajana highlight tawiu madudi akoi ngasi hapjariba tawjariba puna maksing se afaba amagi tamangta tawjabani adana koi kari su saida kanam da bias leina koi thabak tawgiba leite aduga akoi tawsu tawjaroi adu mayam gi phaba je akoi gi phabani adana mayam phanam gi tamangta koi na thabak tawminaribani aina minister in charge orika su aisu for the time being adu ai kyamna kari thabak tawgani haiba su ai tambanga manate haiba manate adu laiba officer kangbu get oi to phambiri singju kyam kuina akoi department du laigani karam kana transfer sakani haibagi tanja phangbanate aduna mukhoju matam matam gi laiguni tabudabu matam gi aina ayama matam da director oro amar oiro akoi mayam se akoi manaba ngaktani we are all friends akoi na noina ai minister oina khallagadi koi thabak tawina ba yaroi khanganu aduna akoi all akoi se colleague ngaktani akoi machin chap manaba lengjen amata da spirit amata da thabak tawina kana thabak oigadabani haibase ai principal amoina matam khudimukta thamjabo wafamni.
BJP Moirang Mandal has called a 24-hour Moirang total shutdown starting this morning at 4, demanding unconditional release of 51 years old Hemamboyai Singh, Personal Secretary of Moirang Constituency MLA P. Sarat Chandra Singh, who was arrested by vigilance personnel on September 16 last from Sangai Pro Crossing. As per reports, normal life was affected in Moirang area due to the shutdown. Band supporters came out in large number and blocked roads. Keeping in view of the situation, 144 CRPC has been claimed at vulnerable location of Moirang municipality area, officials said. Superintendent of Police, Bishnupur District, Priya Darsni Laishram is making efforts to bring the situation under control. The ASP along with her team took stock of the situation. Due to the ban, Moirang Bazaar wore a deserted look. Vehicles were off the road. Schools were opened in Moirang municipal area, but no students were seen attending schools. Important government offices were opened. However, financial institutes were shut. Chief Minister in Biren Singh today inspected the ongoing works of sports infrastructure starting from artificial turf, football field at Langjing installation of flood lighting system at Kuman Lampak and Luang Popa Cricket Stadium. Observing Seva Saptaha, which marks the celebration of 69th birthday of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, a free medical camp was conducted by Hairok Bandal BJP under the guidance of Education Minister Thokchom Radhesham today at Salungpham Chingtam High School of Hairok constituency. More than 200 individuals, including local MLA Radhesham, donated blood at the camp. Talking on the sidelines of the event, Minister Radhesham called Prime Minister Narendra Modi a perfect leader. He also highlighted on various schemes taken up by the BJP government for the welfare of underprivileged section of the society. Today's event was also participated by President of BJP Hairok Mandal Thoksom Chorjit and other dignitaries. Free medicines were also distributed to the participants during the medical camp.
Asi Salunghamgi jaga apai Chingtam High School sisa medical camp amaga loinana apai layeng ba koyang ba ngamjada mayam chathok ngamda mayam puraga layeng halaga adui mathakta hayeng e darka leba mayam ni EP na bagi blood donation camp amaga loinana apai sathajabane praja mayam da so apai na appeal tawjening masi apai na hingi basi praja mayam gi dongte hingbani mayam gi seva isna khwaide maru oi adu mayam seva tawbiragadi mayam gi dongte hingagadi isona so apai soida mating phangkan.
The 10-day World Bamboo Day has kicked off at Lamyanba Sanglait Palace Compound in Imphal East today, organized by Bamboo Forum of India. Speaking at the opening function, Lok Sabha MP R.K. Ranjan urged the workers of Bamboo Mission to work towards making the Made in Manipur a success by training the unemployed youths of the state about bamboo technology skills.
23 genera like Sigi Manunda. Manipur dagi yamdrabada 9 genera di Manipur gi soil se dagi oibang haktane aduna de bamboo se aikoi da lairiba bamboo groves khangde ama khangde lairib sing se masi aikoi na ngasi phawda aikoi gi value added tawraga economically sinaba singamde aduga amaromdana bamboo se lairaba singi di timber ne hairini thaina gi halman gi yum even the first church, the first mosque, Islam Dharma Sarpaki Mohi, can say license, Ihalana Manipur, the Saramasi, Forum Patmanaki, the Saramasi, that was constructed by bamboo.
R.K. Ranjan further urged each and everyone to work towards producing more bamboo edible products, which has been going on for generations to make available in foreign market before the Act East policy is fully implemented. Out of 136 bamboo species available in India, 54 species are found in Manipur, he added. He asserted that it is very important to think and come up with more products made from this bamboo. As a part of the function, bamboo artists were presented with gifts and dais members were also presented with bamboo products. Now let's take a short break, but do stay tuned. Mass enrollment camp for Chief Minister Gi Haksel Gi Tingbang held at Lamlong Bazaar today.
Kangla food product ti iram dong dia seng ma mahong. Yeng dio garlic mixer khatana tana Kangla gi no food item singi mahok khangla bada ngauroi do kana bu leibu.
Kangla Mega Monsoon Offer. Be a lifetime subscriber of lamjingbatomtv daily newspaper at rupees 10,000 only. For more details, please come and visit our lamjingbatomtv office at Uripok Laikurembi Laikai, Imphal West, or contact us at 8837-353352 or 9402-991-938.
Welcome back. State Health Agency and Manipur State Legal Services Authority jointly organized a mass enrollment camp or 4th Chief Minister Gi Haksel Gi Tengbang Prime Minister Jan Awas Yojana at Lamlong Higher Secondary School, Lamlong Bazar today. As a part of Ayushman Bharat Pakhwada Observance, District Health Society and the Kurai Apex Coordinating Body also organized an awareness program on screening of leprosy, tuberculosis, diabetes and hypertension. Project consultant of Manipur State Legal Services Authority R.K. Sujata said that the PMJAY and CMHT health cards were distributed to the beneficiaries. She said that Rs 5 lakh is given under PMJAY and Rs 2 lakh under CMHT. He said the benefit of the cards is available empaneled state government hospitals like RIMS and Jenims, district hospitals and some private hospitals.
Health card ani si PMJAY natraga CMHT PMJAY na lag mangagi health cover pi yum amagi miyoy sing ama hekta narak paganda chahi amada aduga CMHT na yum amagi miyoy ama hek narak paganda health cover se 2 lakh ki free da piba card ni masina government hospitals Jenims RIMS district hospitals khuding amadi private hospitals khara empanel tawi samna haibada Sky Hospital Caesar Hospital khara asagumba private hospitals ka su type torga makhoi gi mafam da su khudong chaba se phangba yai si card si pairaga.
Meanwhile, volunteers of Rural Upliftment Development Association RUDA Sangayo from Pulaipok P caught 2 drugs users this morning and later handed them over to Lamding Educated Welfare Association, Liwa, Thoubal District, according to a press release. It further mentioned that one of the drug users was later handed over to his family members, while the other was taken to a rehabilitation center by volunteers of Liwa. 13th Foundation Day of Coalition Against Drugs and Alcohol Kada was celebrated today at Manipur Press Club, Imphal, which was held on the theme Health for Future. On the occasion, Professor and Head of Department of Psychiatry, RIMS, Dr. Lenin lauded Kada for their fight against drugs in the state. Dr. Lenin said that Manipur is well known all over the world, be in the field of sports or arts and culture, but the future of the youth and the state is becoming worrisome as most people are drowning in the ocean of drugs.
Aduna kanna chaduna leiriba natraga tokpuge haiba ngamdriba myoisingse masigi khaitang safanaba makoigi punsi kannanaba makoigi haksang soktanaba makoigi macha masusingda mahik matai sandoraktanaba harm reduction haibadi nisha chabasi pura toktringai marakse masirisidasu makoida masamu soktanaba tawba akoigi layeng makhalama lei masi yam mai pakna sangsili adunga se koi khunai se nisagi paktagi kannanabai damaktai khoi khudangba ki thodang lei maruina hogalagli ba pikli ba angang singda nisagi seitheng chauna phangi base akoi ngasik punna khanthaminabagi tanja adu lae haina thamjaninge.
President of the association, Hizam Priyo Kumar, expressed fear that the fate of the people are falling into the clutches of drug peddlers. He added that these managed needs should be tackled on the time.
Maruina, aikoina kijaribadi lamdam stada akoi drug na maram orakansa aikoi si taseng hai targidi drug lalon basingi kubang numda aikoi miam se laihigadra haibagi pakhasabadu kadagi maikadagi thamjari maruina masina matam chana aikoina thingogdaba targadi drug lalon basingi kubang numda laihiba matamda aikoi miam se hingbangamdabagi tanjamakok orakani haiba wafamdoi thamjage aduna maram orakanda ngasigi lengang loisingna hauzik junction biriba drug war se masi wan thok leina sanghan janingi haiba wafam dumai thamjaraga tension jag.
Convener of All Manipur Youth and Student Welfare Association Coordinating Committee KH Rameshwar Singh has demanded a compulsory health facility for every private school in the state. Rameshwar condemned the school authorities for failing to provide medical checkup facilities at private school despite charging high school fees. Speaking at a one-day free health checkup camp at P. Namjulung High School at Imphal East, organized by All Manipur Youth and Student Welfare Association Coordinating Committee, Rameshwar further demanded that students must go through medical checkup once every 3 months. He also urged the people for their support of the people in the effort of the committee to ensure a solid foundation for the future.
Yaragadi hogi separate hogi health clinic amamambo haitare na some room separate room mogi amamam hogi first aid box ka thammakanda dumaina tawbiu haijabani hoi mai kai degidi aduna school authority khuding mang nasu fees katang lauksalakanda akhoi kaino tawdabasi akhoi sunga yaroi habaduni loinana akhoi chaliba tha sigi matungda akhoi inspection nama akhoi coordinating committee na semakanda maroina akhoi mari lenaba lengak singdasu akhoi taksalakanda haitarene school singjida health checkup se mapung phana manipur da akhoi lehanaba loinana ngasai mapung phaba mating leba mairoi khunai amagi damakta akhoi masama u phaba sitangai phade habadugi pandamna khoina changjanjabani aduna punamangna chulewak miyamna su akhoi support tawbiyona I maikadi thamjagi.
A 3-day vocational training on pickles and sauce making was conducted by RCWA group at CRPF headquarters, Langjing. Taking part in the training, proprietors of Maira Food, Hanjabam Subara said that people of Manipur are indeed skillful, but due to lack of platform, their talents often go waste. He further said that we must work hard to lead an independent life and make a self-reliant economy.
हम लोग ट्रेन करते हैं ग्रुप को, उनको बताते हैं आप हमारे लिए ये बनाइए क्वालिटी कंट्रोल करके, जैसा क्वालिटी हमको चाहिए, जिस तरह का हमको चाहिए ऐसा बनाइए, हम आपका सामान एक साथ खरीदेंगे, बल्क परचेज. वी बाय बैक दोज थिंग्स एंड वी पैक इन द नेम ऑफ मायरा. यू जस्ट इमेजिन दैट दिस विल हेल्प. ये मोदी जी का भी यही एक वो है मैसेज है कि आप बाहर बेचिए, देश के बाहर भेजिए, बाहर की पूंजी कमाइए.
An awareness program on Rashtriya Poshan Ma, National Nutrition Month, was jointly conducted by District Administration, Thoubal District Health Society, Thoubal and District Program Officer of ICDS SAIL at Sangayum Firm Community Hall. The program was attended by Deputy Commissioner of Thoubal District, Nongmaithim Vandana, District Program Officer, ICDS SAIL Thoubal T. Anita, Chief Medical Officer of Thoubal, Dr. N. Jayanta Kumar, and others as man guests. District Child Protection Officer Thoubal Rinacha Numerangthim stressed on the drawbacks of early marriage. As a part of today's event, free health checkups were provided to young mothers, besides experts demonstrating nutrition food through opening stalls at the venue. Child marriage prohibition officers of District Social Welfare Department, Thoubal, also delivered a lecture on the topic. A free health camp under the aegis of Ayushman Bharat Pakhwara was conducted at the club of Kwakaithel, Laikhuzam Laika, Imphal today. Department of Homeopathy Medicine Surgery, National Urban Health Mission, Imphal West and Urban Pharmacy Health Center organized the free health camp. Several residents of Kwakaithel attended the camp. Facilities like OPD, emergency pharmacy, free medicines, laboratory, free essential basis tests, immunization, family planning, minor OT, and racing and national programs for health along with the distribution of certificates were provided during the camp. Chief Minister Gi Haksel Gi Tengbang card CMHT was also distributed to the beneficiaries. General Secretary of Local Youth Development Agency Dinesh Chandra Haubizam said that free health was organized to avail the government scheme to the general public.
Manipur government piriba health ase sidai da putharaga free health camp ama organize tawjabani chief minister ge haksel gi tengbang rupees 2 lakh free hospitalization card sabagi facility loinana Manipur state legal services authority gi mioi singsu la aga akoi sida ngasi gi health camp asida ista mapung phana yauki khungang sing asibu khoina chakhatna bagi damakta khoina hona jabani.
Another quick commercial break. But coming up, Cabinet approves ban on e-cigarette sales of cigarettes makers jump. Stay tuned.
Canback Industries की Thamabandian College Western Gate की मायूक नबद लेवा Can Enterprises Showroom की opening ceremony लागलेबा September कुमाथोई लिसिंगनी तराग मापंदा पांगथुक जरगनी opening ceremony ऐसी का मरी लेना Canback photo contest हम सुख थमजरी contest ऐसी आहान मना लुपा लिसिंग तरा अनी सुमना लुपा लिसिंग मंगा अदुग अहुम सुमना ना लुपा लिसिंग अहुम थमजरी सरुंग याबिनिंग बसिंगना हाइडबन नुमेनेसी की पुंग मापन फावदा लेंथो पिरगलगा Canback Industries की Canback अमम पायरगा photo session अमा पांगथुक जगनी हाइरिबा फोटो सी Canback Industries की Facebook page ता अपलोड तवरगा लाइक मसिंग ख्वाइदगी याम्बा कंटेस्टेंट दा मनासी पिजगनी
Maitai Singi Puariga Sagon Aduna Laklaba, Mapam Ama Oiriba, Sagolban Tangapat the Ladyba, the Tangapat Restaurant and Departmental Store, Naiha Awa Potafam Ama Oibata Natana, Restaurant Manung the Yaujeriba, inbuilt Departmental Store da, Adomgi household items sing Supang Biragani. Veg amadi non-veg ki menu items sing na Adomgi taste bud to satisfy Oheliba menu items sing enjoy to view. Amadi Tangapat ki view enjoy to view. Langston Biraksi, the Tangapat Restaurant and Departmental Store.
Welcome back. The government has banned e-cigarettes, with Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman saying they have affected youth the most. E-cigarettes, which are not licensed in India, do not burn tobacco but use a heating element to vaporize liquid nicotine, which the user inhales. That is what differentiates it from a combustible cigarettes. The ease of access to e-cigarette and their marketing as products that could help smoker kick the conventional butt are the reasons behind the government deciding to crack the whip. The Union Health Ministry earlier issued an advisory to all states and union territories to ensure that electronic nicotine delivery systems (ENDS), e-cigarettes, heat-not-burn devices, vape e-sisa, e-nicotine flavor hookah, and devices that enable nicotine delivery are not sold, including online sale, manufactured, distributed, traded, imported, and advertised in their jurisdiction. More than 9 lakhs people die each year in the country due to tobacco-related illness. But India has 106 million adult smokers, second only to China in the world, making it a lucrative market for firms such as Juul and Philip Morris. It has been reported that a tiger or leopard has attacked and killed livestock at Purana Bazar B village under Jumu Kedima circle in the early hour yesterday. The public of Purana village B and the surrounding villages have been informed to take precautionary measures and avoid movement in the forest, field and jungles. The government of Nagaland has informed the public not to allow free roaming of cattle and other livestock around the said area to avoid any loss or injury. The authority has urged the support of the public in the effort to track and rescue the animal. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma has admitted that there might have been cases of illegal coal mining and transportation in the state. Sangma said that the Meghalaya government has strictly monitoring the scene in various parts of the state while responding to queries on illegal coal mining and transportation. The Chief Minister said that the state government under him have been very committed to make sure that these kinds of activities do not take place. The Meghalaya CM also informed about the latest development in the state in order to curb coal mining issues that provisions under the Mines and Mineral Development and Regulations (MMDR) are applicable and there be imprisonment up to 5 years, he added. The Indian Air Force IAF has provided the remote circle headquarters in Arunachal Pradesh an alternative to trekking 157 km to the nearest connected town. Eastern Air Command Chief Air Marshal R.D. Mathur and the Army's Eastern Command Head Lieutenant General Anil Chauhan today inaugurated the Advanced Landing Ground ALG at Vijayanagar in Changlang district. This is the 8th ALG made operational by the IAF since a Rs 720 crore project received impetus in 2013. The others are at Aulo, Mechuka, Pasigat, Tawang, Tuting, Walong and Jero. Now the top stories once again before we end this bulletin. Students' Union threatens indefinite shutdown of Oriental College. No question of tampering scrap pension scheme, clarified Minister Bishwajit. And BJP Mandal demands unconditional release of Moirang MLA's personal secretary. That's all for the moment. Thank you very much for joining us and keep watching Times of Manipur News Update.